Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach leader line to a block object. There's a couple of things you need first to make this work. Number one, you need to have already created a block object, and number two, you need to remember that name of that block object. If you just happen to forget the name of the block object, you can go to your Home tab and go to the Insert button right here, and that will list all your block objects in there with the corresponding names. Now, with that said, I've got a couple of objects right here. This is a block that already has a leader line, and this one is one we're going to put a leader line on. Now, you don't have to have any block objects in your model space to do this, because once you go through the steps, it's going to automatically pull that object in. So without further ado, let's go up here to the Annotate tab, and then once you're in there, you go to the multi-leader button, press that. Once you press that, you get a list of options down here in your command line. And for this scenario, we're going to use options. And within these options, we want to use content type, which will allow us to select block. And you can also have the option of multi-line text. That's purely for whatever scenario you're using for. But for this scenario, we're going to choose block. And once you do that, now you're prompted to enter the name of the block object that you want to add a leader to. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. And after you enter the name in, you go ahead and press enter. And now that takes you back to the original options, but we don't need to do anything else in here. So we will just do exit options. And now that brings us to specify your leader arrowhead location. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to put it right there and draw that out. And there you go. You've got yourself your block object with now a leader line. And it functions just like the multi-leaders do, where you can add other leader lines. You can lengthen the landing. You can add as many as you want, whatever you need to do. And that's pretty much it with that. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you've got anything specific about AutoCAD LT 2024 that you'd like me to demonstrate, drop me a line in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload new content each week. Thank you for watching.